Alright guys, I'm going to this river. I ain't never took y'all out here before, but today's the first year that we've been on YouTube. Today's the day that we started YouTube a year ago. So it's been 365 days since we started, and there's a little river down here near my Nana and Papa's house, and I'm about to show y'all what it looks like out there, so let's get straight to it. Someone threw a lot of trash down here. Holy crap, a whole bicycle, floats, radios. Wow. This place usually ain't this trashy, y'all, but it's trashy down here. It looks like someone's been living. Someone's been living down here. Let's get down there and look. There's a picture down here.
Huh?
It's a picture right there, y'all. Look at all this stuff they've made just down here. I don't really want to mess with it, but some pictures there. It's got a compass right here. I don't know if there's a hobo living down here or not, y'all. Speakers, phone chargers, everything. I don't know how they get power out here, but hey, you never know. They may have been throwing stuff in this little water right here. I may find some good treasure down there. So let's get in the water. I don't know.
Swirl.
Alright everybody, forgot to end my video up down there at the river. I'm going to start this video off here, or end this video off here with my favorite find, was this door handle here. I'm going to flip the camera and show y'all what it looks like really good. Old timey door handle, as y'all saw when I found it. It's real shiny. Alright guys, like always, like and subscribe.